Aloha, friends, and welcome to week 5 of STEM. We are going to focus this week on some really tiny things that you need a microscope to see with. And we're going to talk about germs a little bit, as this is a relevant topic for our day, our times right now. So, I have some activities, some may do's and a must do for you, and then some ideas to share on Flipgrid. So if you want to start here, this shows an example of an experiment that I did with some lotion, some glow germ lotion, which it simulates or mimics where germs like to hide in your hand. So that was my experiment for the week. So you can see how that ended up, what I did there with that. Then I've included, if you click on this, there is a video on getting rid of germs by hand washing and how soap interacts with germs. Your must do is a mystery science video, and it basically just talks about how germs affect us and ways to prevent them from harming us. Not all germs are bad, but some of them are, and so we want to take care and stay healthy. So that's your mystery science, just to watch the video. And there's there's some bonus things, bonus clips in there too. It's kind of fun to learn about. So your may do's are an epic book. It's not actually a book; it is a video this week, and it's G is for germs. And it also talks about these little organisms that we can't see without a microscope, gives us some information. And then I've included a brain pop video on hand washing and the best ways to wash your hands to get rid of germs that like to hang out on our hands. So if you would like to share and do something that you can upload on Flipgrid, that is a choice as well. So this is your code, and I've included this week some science activities that have to do with, you want to make a guess? Have to do with soap and how it interacts with different substances, or yeah, and how hand washing and things like that. So if you go there, there are some STEM activities. Some of them have to do with bubbles. I know some of you, I was really impressed during the scientific method. You've already made, a couple people already made a milk rainbow, and that was really cool. So if you would like to try something like that or something similar, that is one thing. This is one of my favorites right here. It talks about building a toy raft or a boat that's powered by surface tension. Has to do with how soap interacts with the water. So that's a neat one. This one is a great one too. All you need is some washable paint, and it goes over how well you wash your hands. So you can do an examination similar to what I did with the glow germ lotion to see how well you wash your own hands, what gets left behind. I had a few kids during the scientific method week do floating fake snow. That was awesome. I loved those activities. I saw somebody doing something similar to this. There's elephant toothpaste. So there's some different activities. Can you catch a bubble? Some fun things. And then if you want to go on, there's more. You can click 2, 3 if you need more ideas. Of course, this is your choice. So you can choose to do it and then share it on Flipgrid. If you don't want to share it on Flipgrid and you still want to get like a science badge that I've been giving in Google Classroom, you can just email me and tell me what you learned. That's always an option, so you don't have to do a Flipgrid. Okay, so if you have any questions, my email is in your Google Classroom. I'll talk to you soon. Take good care. Aloha.